All right. So for the handwriting, I feel like it's only fair for me to show exactly what we did in class, because I did show the kids how to form the letters again, and it would be unfair of me not to make a video for you showing you exactly the same. So here we go. This first block gives me a curly K and a H, which makes the what sound? Say it out loud in your house. If you said the ch sound, you are correct. Now quickly, before I read them for you, try and read these three words by yourself. All right, if you said chain, charl, and child, you are correct. Now take a good look at how to do the curly. Actually, we're going to go through all of them. Then I'm going to show you how to form the letters, and then you can go ahead and do them by yourself. So, next block shows a S and a H. What sound does that make? Say it out loud at your house. If you said the sh sound, you are correct. Try and read these three words by yourself quickly before I give the answer. Good. This is Cheryl, it's a name, shoe, and ship. The next block shows a W and a H. This is a W sound, okay? It stays exactly the same, we don't say it differently. Try to read these three by yourself quickly. Where, when, what. Good. Next one is a T and a H. That makes a F sound. So you press your tongue against your top teeth and you say F. All right, try and read these three words quickly on your own. Theo is a name. Those, then. Those are the words that you will have to go rewrite. Then, t-w is a tw. All right, try and read these three words by yourself quickly. Okay, if you said Twain, it's a surname. Two, we don't say twu, we say two. And twitch. Twitch. This one is kind of different than the rest because we don't say twu, we just say two. All right, so let's look at the second page quickly. These are still, sorry my love, these are still in your English activity packet. I didn't tell you that. Sorry, Yosike. These are in your English packet. All right. Then we look at s, curly k, r, skr. Try and, I just sounded like a YouTuber. Try to read these three words by yourself quickly. Good. If you said scroll, scrum, scrap, you are correct. Very good. Next one, spl. Try to read these two by yourself, please. If you said split and splendid, you are correct. Then, spr. Try to read these two words by yourself. Spring and spread. Spring is written with a capital letter because it's the name of a season. Good. Str. Try to read those two words by yourself. All right. This word is straight. It has the g-h-t at the back, like the 8 or like night. So straight and strawberry. Last sound is squa. Try and read these two. These words are square and squint. All right, let's take a look at how we are going to form these letters. Now, I showed it to the kids with Minky Monkey, so I'm going to do the same for you. Imagine there was a Minky Monkey. Because it's a lowercase letter, we start between the body and the tail line. Good. So we are going to start between the body and the tail. I'm going to try and hold my pen like this so that you can see nicely. So we are going to start between the body and the tail. We go up into a wavy, back, up, loop, and we finish our ch. Now please remember, I'm quickly going to show you how not to do it. Do not lift your hand, obviously, but also watch out for sharp edges. I saw that with a lot of the kids in the class. No sharp edges. It has to be a nice, do you see the curl that it makes? Good. And then you can go ahead here, look for the dot. Where the dot is where the body and the tail line would be. So if you go to write chain, it will be here. And I did not lift my hand except to make the dot. Good. The sh. Let's take a look. If this was Minky Monkey, then between the body and the tail line, because it's a lowercase, we go up to the side, down, touch, back up, make our h, and up. Good. For the w, again, between the body and the tail line, because it's a lowercase letter, we start with our w. We go up, and then we're going to make the two loops for the 1, 2. Then we make the little, what did Leora call it today? The drape. It's like a little drape. Okay, then you go up into your h, and you send it back up. For the th, we do circle, square, tail. Between the body and the tail line, we go up into half a neck for the t, down, up into our h, and then you draw the line on the t. Good, and then at the very bottom, between the body and the tail line, up, half neck for the t, down, up, we make our two little loops for the w, and we drape it at the end. Good. On the second page, if this was a Minky Monkey, between the body and the tail, because it's a lowercase, we go up to the side for our straight down touch, back on the same line, wavy back on the same line, send it down for the r, and the r has that little wave. Good. Sp, l. The p in cursive also has half a neck like the t, so between the body and the tail line, we go up to the side, down touch. Now we go up halfway neck, straight down, up, we loop, and is it the l? Yeah, straight up for the l. No sharp edges. I did not do this. This is what not to do. I did not do this. No straight edges in cursive writing. Good. Sp, r. I make my Minky Monkey between the body and the tail line because it's a lowercase letter. I go up, down, halfway up, straight down, make my p, and lead it into the r. Good. St, r, between the body and the tail line, I go up, down, touch, halfway up for half a neck for the t, and then I send it down and make my wavy for the r. Good, and then the last one, squa, a. Between the body and the tail, I go up for my s, send it as if I'm making an a, but then I go straight down into my a. And remember, they all end between the head and the body. Good, and then you can go rewrite these words and finish those lines. You know how to do the handwriting by now. Enjoy.